In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to chat conversations in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place an existing video into a chat message so your recipients get a clear, engaging visual without leaving your conversation flow. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type HubSpot, then click the official HubSpot website and sign in to your account as you normally do. If your workspace uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, just complete those prompts. You'll want to make sure you have access to the Conversations tools. If something looks different or an option is missing, it may be a permissions issue your admin can help with. Once you're in HubSpot, move your cursor over the left sidebar and locate the CRM section. From there, go to Inbox. This takes you into the Conversations inbox, where live chats, emails, and messages are managed in one place. It's the hub for replying to visitors and contacts in real time. Inside the inbox, click Compose to start a new message. If you don't see the Compose button, double-check that you're in the correct inbox or channel. Next, select a recipient to begin writing. You can search for an existing contact and confirm you're messaging the right person. It helps to add a short sentence explaining what the video covers, so the recipient knows why they should watch. In the message editor, click Insert, then choose Video. This opens the video picker. You'll see two options, Record with Vidyard or Select from HubSpot. For this tutorial, choose Select from HubSpot. That means you'll insert a video that's already stored in your HubSpot files. If you prefer recording something on the spot, Vidyard integrates seamlessly, but we'll stick with selecting an existing asset. Browse your library and click the video you want to insert. Use the search bar if you have a lot of files, and check the file name and thumbnail to make sure it's the correct version. HubSpot will place the video into your message as a preview or link, depending on your setup. At this point, read your message again for clarity. A quick one-liner introducing the video's value can boost engagement, and adding a call to action after the video often increases replies. When everything looks good, click Send. That's it. Your chat now includes a video, delivered right inside the conversation. To recap, sign in, open Inbox, compose a message, pick your recipient, insert a video from HubSpot, and send. With this workflow, you can deliver richer explanations, demos, and walkthroughs directly in your chats, helping contacts get answers faster and with more clarity.